Welcome to my channel. Today I will show 5 best hammer drill. Dewalt DCH273B hammer drill. The Dewalt DCH273B 20V Max rotary hammer features a brushless motor for extended runtime and durability. Offers active vibration control which significantly reduces vibration and increases user comfort and productivity. 2.1 joules impact energy which provides corded power without the cord. Retractable utility hook for convenient hanging and storage. Makita XP807Z LXT hammer drill. The Makita 18V cell XT lithium-ion cordless half-an-inch hammer driver drill, model XP807M, breaks new ground with a full 1090 inches-pounds. All-metal variable 2-speed transmission, 0-550 and 0-2,100 RPM, for a wide range of drilling, fastening and hammer drilling applications. Compact and ergonomic design at only 8/1/8 long, weighs only 5.9 pounds with battery not included, for reduced operator fatigue. Dewalt D25263K hammer drill. The Dewalt D25263K 1/1/8-inch D-handle SDS features a rotary hammer with shocks. 3 joules of impact energy for fast drilling and chipping speed. Shocks active vibration control and regulation, resulting in reduced vibration felt in the handles, a perform and protect feature. Rotating brush ring which delivers full speed, torque in forward and reverse. 8.5 amp high performance motor for all your needs. Makita HR2475 hammer drill. The Makita HR2475 is powered by a 7-amp motor that delivers a no-load speed of 0 to 1100 revolutions per minute, with 0.4,500 BPM and 2.7 joules of impact energy. 3-mode operation includes rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only for multiple applications. Torque limiting clutch engineered to prevent gear damage by automatically disengaging gears if the bit binds. Bosch RH228VC hammer drill. The tool provides increased drilling capacity, from 1 inch to 1/1/8 inch, faster drilling speed and a light 6.9 pounds weight. Engineered with counterbalanced vibration control to increase operator control while mitigating vibration for added comfort during all-day hammering. Features the convenient SDS Plus drive system, and its beefy 8.0 amp motor provides unmatched performance in a compact package. Follow video description if you want to know price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel.